Do you have a list of milestones or dreams in your life? To achieve these milestones, you need to be financially stable. Will HDFC Life Sanchay fixed maturity plan aid you in achieving your milestone? In this video, let us find out whether the HDFC Life Sanchay fixed maturity plan secure yourself and your loved one's future with a guaranteed benefit. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. HDFC Life Sanchay Fixed Maturity Plan. It is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan. Let us look into the features and estimate the potential return of the plan in detail. First, features of HDFC Life Sanchay Fixed Maturity Plan. There is an option to choose life cover either single life or joint life basis. Option to pay regular premium, limited premium or single premium. There is a wide range of policy term to choose from, like 5 years to 40 years. Guaranteed benefit at the end of the policy term. Rider options enhance the life cover. Next, we shall look into the benefits, the death benefit. Under single life, the death benefit payable to the nominee under a single life policy shall be the highest of the following: sum assured on death, death benefit multiple as chosen by the policy holder in case of single premium, limited or regular premium 10 times of the annual premium, or 105% of total premiums paid till the date of death, or the surrender value applicable as on the date of death. In case of joint life coverage, the following death benefit shall be payable on the first death of any of the life insured. The death benefit will be the higher of the following: sum assured on death, or 105% of total premiums paid till the date of death. Upon the payment of this benefit, that is the first death benefit, the policy continues for the surviving life assured. The death benefit payable on the second death, that is the death of the surviving life assured, shall be highest of the following: sum assured on death or death benefit multiple as chosen by the policy holder in case of a single premium policy, or 105% of total premiums paid till the date of death, or the surrender value applicable as of the date of death. Next comes the maturity benefit. Guaranteed maturity benefit, also called as sum assured on maturity, is payable as a lump sum amount at the end of the policy term. Sum assured on maturity is equal to the annualized premium or single premium into GMM. Here the GMM refers to the guaranteed maturity multiple, and it varies by age and premium paying term. Let us now weigh the advantages and disadvantages of HDFC Life Sanchay Fixed Maturity Plan. Advantages: flexibility in choosing the premium paying term and policy term. Joint life option under single premium pay. Riders to enhance the cover. Guaranteed benefit can be earmarked for any of the life goals. Disadvantages of HDFC Life Sanchay Fixed Maturity Plan. There is no loan option available under the plan. The lock-in period is 2 years for surrendering or making it as paid up. There is no loyalty addition or any other benefits added to the maturity benefit. The return on investment won't be an inflation-beating return. Do you think buying this plan will benefit you? In order to take a decision, the above details are not enough. So now we are going to analyze the IRR of HDFC Life Sanchay Fixed Maturity Plan to see how it can benefit us in the long term. In this benefit illustration, a 30-year-old male buy this plan for a sum assured of rupees 10 lakhs, premium paying term 15 years, and the annual premium is rupees 1 lakh. At the end of the policy term, here 20 years, he would get a maturity benefit of rupees 30,68,890 rupees. The IRR works out to be 5.45%, which is similar to bank FD. Also, locking funds for a longer period at this rate is not advisable. In order to have an inflation-beating return, we shouldn't mix up insurance and investment. A separate term policy for life cover and invest separately for life goals. Let us assume a similar annual cash flow of rupees 1 lakh as in the above illustration. We can assume a term cover of rupees 10 lakhs. In general, it is better to take life insurance cover for a high sum assured. For comparison purposes, we have assumed the same premium paying term and policy term. The premium for the pure term policy for a sum assured of rupees 10 lakh would be rupees 7,000 for 15-year premium paying term. So, the balance amount of rupees 93,000 can be invested as per your risk appetite. Here we have chosen PPF account and ELSS fund. For a risk-averse investor, PPF would be a better option, and someone who can take risk can opt for ELSS. The table here clearly demonstrates that PPF or ELSS investment gives you a better return. The IRR for PPF is 6.45% and for ELSS it is 10.85%. All these returns are post-tax returns. The maturity value of PPF or ELSS would help you in achieving your goals. Based on your risk appetite, you can choose an investment vehicle for wealth accumulation. To summarize, HDFC Life Sanchay Fixed Maturity Plan is an endowment plan with a guaranteed lump sum benefit payable on maturity. The maturity benefit is a straightforward benefit without any additions like loyalty addition or any other benefit. But the maturity benefit is a meager amount. With this amount, meeting life goals would be elusive due to inflation. On the other hand, investing separately without mixing it with the insurance plan will help you in achieving your goals. Pure term insurance with adequate life cover should be in place before starting wealth accumulation. Start investing based on your risk appetite, time horizon of the goal. Asset allocation should also be given importance while selecting your investment product. Thereby, you get an inflation beating return which will help you in achieving your goals. A detailed blog post of HDFC Life Sanchay Fixed Maturity Plan is available in our website. The link is in the description box. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.